Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left: the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. And it's time now for the binary puzzle. And this one will be number 8043. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 17 printed digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in the row or in the column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I see a lot of double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Oh, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have here 1, 2, 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish. 2 minutes. Yeah. This one is a quick one to solve. Told you, with 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.